Ever wonder who Betterment is really for? Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, there has to be a better way to grow this money? Maybe you've dabbled in some stocks or flirted with the idea of a robo-advisor, but something held you back. Well, hold on to your hats because today we're diving deep into Betterment, a robo-advisor platform that could be your key to unlocking a brighter financial future. But before we get swept away in a wave of investment jargon, let's take a step back. Is Betterment right for you? Let's face it, navigating the world of investing can feel like deciphering ancient hieroglyphics. There are endless options, fees that make your head spin, and enough financial jargon to leave even the most confident person feeling lost. That's where robo-advisors like Betterment come in. They offer an automated approach to investing, taking the guesswork out of your portfolio and putting it on autopilot. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But like any good financial decision, it's important to understand if Betterment is the right fit for you. So, who exactly is Betterment designed for? Well, buckle up because we're about to break it down into two key categories, the new investor and the busy investor. The new investor. Maybe you're fresh out of college, just starting your career, and that first paycheck has you thinking about the future. Or perhaps you've been meaning to invest for a while, but the whole process seems intimidating. If you identify with this, then Betterment could be your perfect financial wingman. Here's why. Beginner-friendly, Betterment doesn't expect you to be a Wall Street whiz. Their platform is designed to be easy to use, with clear explanations and tools to help you understand your options. Low minimums. Unlike some traditional investment firms that require hefty deposits, Betterment allows you to start small. This means you can dip your toes in the investing pool without breaking the bank. Automated investing. Betterment takes the wheel when it comes to managing your portfolio. They'll ask you a few questions about your risk tolerance and financial goals, then build a diversified portfolio based on your answers. You don't have to pick individual stocks or worry about rebalancing. Betterment handles it all. Let's face it, not everyone has time to become a stock market guru. The busy investor. Are you constantly on the go, juggling work, family, and everything in between? Does the idea of spending hours researching stocks make you want to crawl under the covers? If you're a busy bee with little time to spare, Betterment can be your financial lifesaver. Here's how. Hands-off approach. Betterment takes care of the heavy lifting. You set it and forget it, knowing your money is working hard for you in the background. Automatic rebalancing. The market is constantly fluctuating, and Betterment keeps your portfolio on track. Their automatic rebalancing feature ensures your investments stay aligned with your goals. Tax optimization tools. Betterment helps you minimize your tax burden with tax loss harvesting and other smart strategies. But Betterment isn't a magic bullet. While Betterment offers a fantastic option for many, it's important to understand its limitations. Limited customization. If you're a seasoned investor who wants complete control over your portfolio, Betterment might not be the best fit. They offer a variety of pre-built portfolios, but the ability to pick individual stocks is limited. Higher fees for smaller accounts. While Betterment's fees are generally competitive, they tend to be a higher percentage for smaller accounts. This is something to consider if you're just starting out with a limited amount to invest. So, is Betterment right for you? The answer depends on your individual circumstances. If you're a new investor or someone who values a hands-off approach, Betterment is definitely worth considering. However, if you crave complete control over your portfolio or have a very small investment pool, you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to do your research and understand your own financial goals. Betterment offers a wealth of resources on their website, and there are plenty of independent reviews online to help you make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.